Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is a 243 piece set. You can see it has everything that you see right there. Let me go ahead and show you the inside. So it is like Velcro strapped. You got some little pins, some kids' scissors, which is awesome because they can't cut themselves. And look at all this. Like, this is a ton of stuff. Some little pieces of paper. You have this right here that'll show you different things that you can make with those papers. Comes with a drawing book so that they can draw their own pictures. It comes with a coloring book. Some blank pieces of paper. Comes with this right here, which is like to actually draw on. So you can actually go like this and have like a little area to draw on. I'm going to put everything underneath here where it's not all out and about. It comes with 4 little clips so that you can clip your papers onto here. And then on this side, you're going to have your different types of markers, colored pencils, ruler, some paint brushes and stuff, pencil sharpener, little sponge to clean off your paintbrush. And then on this side, you're going to have your crayons, your chalks, and then your water paints, some glue, and eraser. But let's go ahead and see what my daughter thinks about it and show it in use. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.